Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money online in 2024. Whether you're broke, bored, or just love the idea of working in pajamas, I've got you covered. Let's get started with these 10 surprisingly easy methods. Method 1. Master the art of freelancing. Can you write, draw, code, teach people how to fix their toaster? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are your new best friends. Start small, build reviews, and before you know it, you'll be charging top dollar for your skills. Method 2. Become the meme king or queen. Memes aren't just for laughs, they're for cash. Start a funny Instagram or Twitter page, grow your followers, and brands will reach out with sponsorships. Who knew your cat memes could pay the bills? Method 3. Sell your closet online. Do you really need that sweater you wore once in 2017? Sell it. Platforms like Depop, Poshmark, and eBay make it easy to turn your closet into cash. Pro tip: list it as vintage for an extra boost. Method 4. Get paid to play. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and even TikTok let you stream your gameplay and earn money through donations, subscriptions, and sponsorships. So grab your controller and start earning while you play. Method 5. Dive into affiliate marketing. Love sharing product recommendations? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. And no, you don't have to sell blenders unless you're really into smoothies. Method 6. Teach what you know. Are you good at literally anything? Turn it into an online course or coaching business. Sites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare are looking for your expertise, whether it's knitting, coding, or cooking. Method 7. Launch a YouTube channel. You don't need fancy gear or Hollywood vibes to start a YouTube channel. Share your life, review gadgets, or do goofy challenges. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can monetize and start earning. Method 8. Flip thrift finds. Head to your local thrift store, find hidden gems, and flip them on platforms like eBay or Etsy. That $2 vase could sell as mid-century chic for $50. It's like treasure hunting, but with profit. Method 9. Sell digital goods. Why ship products when you can sell digital ones? Designing books, printables, or even funny wallpapers. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell without worrying about shipping. Method 10. Become a social media manager. Brands need help managing their TikToks, Instagrams, and tweets. If you know your way around hashtags and trending sounds, offer your services as a social media manager. It's fun, creative, and surprisingly lucrative. Making money online in 2024 isn't rocket science, it's all about creativity and hustle. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips to boost your bank account. Your pajamas are now your office.